Hello guys, let's be real. Learning ICT concepts? It's like stepping into a maze blindfolded. Multi-timeframe analysis, liquidity sweeps, order blocks, breaker blocks, change of character, fair value gaps, equilibriums, and don't even get me started on backtesting. Most people spend months, or worse, thousands of dollars on mentorships trying to figure this stuff out. If you're anything like most newbies when they started, you've probably got a million screenshots, 20 YouTube tabs open, and still no clear idea of when or where to actually enter a trade. And let's be honest, one wrong entry and boom, there goes your confidence down in the drain. But what if I told you? You can just upload a few screenshots and ChatGPT will do all the ICT analysis for you? I mean full top-down, ICT-style breakdowns with entry price, stop loss, take profit, the heavy lifting. Sounds impossible, right? Let me show you how any newbie can do it like a pro with our friend ChatGPT. I am using MT4 for charting, but you can basically use any other platform such as TradingView. First, select the symbol you want to analyze and open the respective chart. For this example, let's take EURUSD chart. Then make sure you select clearly visible colors for bullish and bearish candles. I have selected green and red. Then make sure you set a chart background color that makes it easy to see the candles. In my case, I have selected black. Also, enable the grid so that price levels can be easily read on the chart. Then close all the sub-windows and have the chart maximized so that the screenshots can be large and clear. Now go to ChatGPT and click on Custom GPTs and on the search bar type ICT. Then you will see some custom GPTs that are trained for ICT trading. Let's select the first one that seems to be the most popular. Now go back to MT4 and take screenshots of the chart on each of the time frames from 1-minute chart to the daily chart, except the 30-minute chart, which is not essential. I am using the Lightshot app to make the screenshots, but you can use any screenshot app to do it. When you take the screenshots, make sure prices on the right and the chart time bar on the bottom are included, along with the time frame menu on top. After taking each screenshot, simply paste the same to our custom GPT. Once we have pasted all the screenshots, you just need to add the given prompt, which I have given in the description. But you can use any similar prompt, or you can even simply say analyze the given charts based on ICT rules. Now you can see that ChatGPT is doing its analysis. Now you can see that ChatGPT has provided us with a very extensive ICT chart analysis, which would be far superior to any analysis made by a human ICT trade guru you could ever find. Most importantly, it has provided us with a potential high probability entry with entry price, stop loss, and take profit price levels, which you can execute immediately with a pending order. You can also get a visual representation for your potential entry for easy reference. Furthermore, it can even create the fine script or MQL code, which you could use to backtest on TradingView or MetaTrader to see how profitable similar setups would be based on historical data. Likewise, you can simply upload screenshots of any symbol and find potential high-probability ICT entries with every reason explained brilliantly. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.